The new McLane Ozark Distribution Center is located 7 miles southwest of Springfield in Republic, Missouri. Its central U.S. location and close proximity to several major highways, combined with the capacity and capabilities of the new DC, allows McLane to efficiently deliver to all of Missouri, Kansas, half of Arkansas, half of Nebraska, and most of Oklahoma, and our reach continues to grow. The new 370,000 square foot distribution center sits on 132 acres of lush farmland. The facility is equipped with the most sophisticated state-of-the-art conveyor and robotic systems available in the industry, all designed and manufactured by Schaefer Systems International Incorporated. The Republic facility is especially unique among all McLane's 40 distribution centers because rather than building outward like most of our DCs, the Ozark facility was built upward to greatly reduce the size of our carbon footprint, while at the same time significantly reducing our construction costs. Equally impressive, the Ozark facility is the single largest geothermal temperature-controlled and cooling installation ever implemented in the United States. McLane's world-class 10-story, completely automated and environmentally friendly distribution center represents magnificent innovation. Let's take a tour of this one-of-a-kind facility. There are 2 main areas in this distribution center: inbound or storage, and outbound or shipping. First, let's start in the receiving area so you can see how products come into the distribution center. When product trucks arrive at the Ozark facility, they are unloaded and scanned by teammates using wrist-held computers for speed, efficiency, and accuracy. If an item has not previously been taught into the system, then it must go through the Teach-In station, which weighs, measures, and captures a 3D photograph of the newly added retail product. The DC teammates then move the received products to robotic pallet exchanger stations. This machine secures, lifts, rotates, and replaces shipper pallets with system pallets. Product slated to be stored in the high bay area moves to the automated stretch wrapping station. The arms of this station spin around the stacked product, wrapping it in plastic to secure it to the system pallet. The merchandise is then ready to be stored. All merchandise is stored in the climate-controlled automated storage and retrieval system, also known as the high bay. Here, 8 robotic cranes equipped with telescopic pallet jacks run the 175-foot length of the storage area, slotting inventory as high as 105 feet, or the equivalent to 14 stacked pallets. The retractable forks slide out to place or retrieve product stored on system pallets from either side of the 8 bays. This area requires little lighting, as the only time people actually enter this area is to service the equipment. Otherwise, the cranes run their tracks independently, judging exact distance by laser beam. When a pallet is needed from the high bay to fill a customer order, the system retrieves the pallet and sends it to one of 2 stations: delayering or detrashing. Full case system pallets can be delayered automatically or manually. For automatic delayering, there are 2 robots. Each robot removes 1 layer of cases through side pressure and vacuum suction with its giant robotic arm. A complete layer of cases is thus removed from a system pallet and placed on a system tray. In manual delayering, a teammate removes cases from a system pallet by picking and transferring them by hand and sliding them across a ball transfer table. The trays with full cases are transferred from the delayering area and stored in one of over 27,000 tray storage locations in the Schaefer Case Pick module. Detrash is the other area pallets retrieved from the high bay get distributed to. In this area, single cell or break pack items are readied for storage and retrieval. Discarded boxes and wrappers are tossed onto a conveyor belt above to be sent to the baler compactor area, where they are prepared for recycling. The white system tubs are then transported to storage carousels until it is time to fulfill an order. Once a product is ordered, the carousel spins until the item can be easily accessed. Next, a carousel shuttle moves the white system tub from the carousel to the pick-to-tote station. At the pick-to-tote stations, Teammates select items from the tub line that sits about chest high to the tote line, which sits waist high. The pick-to-tote stations were designed to have 4 white tubs above and up to 7 red totes below. The teammate fills orders listed on the computer screen in front of them, placing counted items from the white tubs into the outgoing red totes. Once the piece count of the red tote is met, the tote automatically shifts to the loader conveyor line and moves forward to the tote hospital, where totes are checked, weighed, measured, and then strapped. In our highly secure cigarette area, we have 4 of the largest state-of-the-art stamping machines available. In this area, we weigh and digitally record images of every cigarette carton in every tote. Then the totes are closed and strapped. And since all totes are red and get strapped, no one knows what's in the tote until it arrives at the customer's location. Based on the shipping progress of the case picking system, red shipping totes are released from the shipping buffer in the needed sequence at precisely the right time so that they can merge with cases in the Schaefer Case Pick module. In the Schaefer Case Pick module, system trays are retrieved from their storage locations by Schaefer tray shuttles and case wheeler lift units. The 24 Schaefer tray shuttle units handle the horizontal tray transportation, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and picking up 2 trays at once. The 24 case wheeler lifts handle the vertical tray transportation, bringing individual trays to the case wheelers, which roll off 1 or more individual cases from the trays onto the chute-out and window conveyors. Then each case is separated, aligned, identified by a vision system, labeled, and scanned prior to being merged with the shipping totes. There are 6 window conveyors, which merge with 12 long accumulation conveyors, transporting the cases and shipping totes to the 12 loading dock doors. Now on to the loading area. This is where all of our state-of-the-art technology comes together to ensure every order ships to our valued customers with 100% accuracy. All the cases and totes coming out of the Schaefer Case Pick module are grouped by truck stop. For each truck stop, a train of cases is released first, followed by a train of totes. Full pallets can also be loaded into our trucks. At the Ozark facility, our cooler and freezer process is very similar to our traditional distribution center systems, except at this new facility, the selector simply walks and the pallet trucks will follow them at the same speed during the selection process. Well, that concludes our tour. We hope this short video gives you an insight into our amazing facility. Our teammates enjoy working in this superior environment that enhances productivity and adheres to exceptional safety standards. We love our new home, and our new friends and neighbors in Republic are glad we are here.